kinds of puzzles, and the leftover topics are data sufficiency, psychometric test, and mirror images. So these are the three topics that is left over in your module for today's for this semester. Okay, in which psychometric test. I hope I have taken psychometric test for you in the previous semester. Yes or no? You guys remember? Have I taken psychometric test in the previous semester for you? I gave an introduction on it. You guys remember? I expect a reply from you guys whether you guys remember. I remember I have taken psychometric test. I have given an introduction. I have also completed one topic in psychometric test. You guys remember the same? Situation analysis, giving a situation, working in an office, giving 4 options. You need to analyze the situation and give out the answer. Do you guys remember? Ashavardhan? Ashavardhan, are you there? Yes. So, can you tell me whether you remember or not? I have taken the topic for you. Is it yes or no? Yeah. Yes. I think you guys should have forgotten it, but once if I give you a revision on the same topic, you will remember. Like I've taken the topic to you. I have told you, I've explained you, I've given an introduction about it, and also we have solved questions on situation analysis. Okay, stating some kind of situation in your like if you're working in a particular office, you'll be given some situation, and based on that, you have 4 options below the question. You have to think and choose which option is right or wrong. So since I have already taken that particular topic for you, I don't want to again go into that particular topic. Okay, just we can have that topic as a revision. Okay, at the end of all the other 5 topics. Okay, at last the 6th topic we can see that particular topic as a revision kind of question. Okay, so now in today's class I'm going to take you on mirror and water images. Okay, so we are going to see this topic today. Okay, I'll be taking mirror and water images today. Okay, now once again, okay, so you guys have any idea on mirror and water images, what the mirror images are about? Any ideas on it? Okay, fine. I'll explain you what is mirror and water images. Okay, so first is like a mirror image. What is a mirror image? When you look yourself into a mirror, okay, you will see yourself. That is your image will be reflected in the mirror. So that is what is called as mirror image, which means you are the true self, and the thing which you are going to see on the mirror is your reflection. Okay, so that is what we call it as a mirror image. Okay, so the image of an object which is seen in the mirror, okay, which is called the reflection of the object. So that image is called as mirror image. In such an image, the right side of the object appears on the left side, and same vice versa. Okay, so for example, if you show your hand to your mirror, if you show your hand, show your palm, okay, show your palm to your mirror, okay, when you look at it, if for example, if you're showing your left hand, okay, to the mirror, if you're showing the left hand to the mirror, okay, you will know how your left hand is, okay, where your thumb is present. But when you see in the mirror, your thumb will be present on the right hand side. It will be shown on the right hand side. If you look image in such a way, okay, it is just a reflection, so it will be like opposite. The thing which is present on the left will be present at the right, and vice versa. Okay, so that is what that kind of image is called as mirror images. Therefore, this kind of image is said to be laterally inverted, and the phenomenon is called as the lateral inversion. Okay, you have a term called lateral inversion. So now, in how this mirror image is going to play an important role in logical. Here you have questions. Okay, you do have questions on mirror images. Okay, based on the letters, on the some pictures, some diagrams. Okay, based on numbers. Okay, so all these things you have questions based on it. So you need to find out the mirror images, okay, of whatever asked in the question. Whether it can be a picture, it can be letters, it can be numbers, it can be words, okay, it can be anything. So you have to find out the mirror image. So that is what the ultimate aim of this particular topic. Okay, you will be asked a question and you have to answer if this particular image, the particular thing which is shown here, if that has been shown, okay, it has been given, what kind of image you will get, okay, in the mirror. So that is what you need to find out. So that is the major objective of this particular topic. So here you have certain kind of clues which you can, tips which you can follow. So normally in a mirror image, okay, when you consider words or numbers, you have certain letters, certain numbers those mirror images will be same as that of the original image. Okay, so you have certain letters. So if you have a pen and paper, please take and make a note of it. Okay, so some letters will not change even if they undergo a reflection. Okay, in other words, they are the same as that of the mirror images. The letters having identical mirror images are, which means in the mirror image as well as the original image will be same, identical. It will not, the left and right side will not change. Those kind of images are called as mirror images. So in letters, there are certain words, okay, that will be identical as that of the mirror images. So those kind of letters are, okay, I'm telling about in capital, okay, those kind of letters are A, H, I, M, O, T, U, V, W, X and Y. I'm writing there on the chat box. You can make a note of it. Which are given there in the chat box. So these images, okay, in capitals, these images, okay, mirror images will be identical to their original image. Okay, H I M O T U V W X Y. Wherein in small letters, okay, in the sentence case, the small letter, okay, small case, the letters like I L O V W X. Okay, these letters in small images, okay, in small letters, these letters, okay, will have the identical image to that of the original image. Okay, I L O V W and X. Okay, Mohan, do you have any doubts? You have raised your hand.
Are you sharing the screen now?
No, I didn't. I'm not sharing the screen, ma. I am just explaining now. I'll share the screen in a few minutes. Okay, I'm just giving points now. I'll be sharing the screen in a few minutes. Okay, so to continue with, these are the letters in capital as well as in small. Okay, where the images will be similar. Okay, they will not be the identical image. The image of mirror and as well as the original will be identical. Will be same to same. In numbers, okay, the number 1 and 8, both these numbers, okay, 1 and 8, these numbers will have identical mirror images. Okay, so that is the small clue which you can remember. These letters and these numbers you can remember. If the question is asked based on these letters and numbers, you can simply write the images are identical. Okay, you can write the same image. Okay, so now E can be changed. If you change the direction of the mirror, okay, horizontally or vertically, it can be changed. Maybe you can give a try. Okay, Ashavardhan? A A will not be changed. See, you just give a try. So A will not be changed. A will be looking same. If you show the letter A in the mirror, okay, it will be same. It will not change. Okay. So now here there are one more thing which you need to like keep a note of it. When a mirror is placed vertically and when a mirror is placed horizontally. Okay. So that is important. You can look it over here. Wait, let me present the screen. I hope the screen is visible. So if you look at here, so when a mirror is placed vertically, okay, when a mirror is placed to the left or right side of the object, then standard form of the mirror image is formed. Here, left hand side and right hand side of our object interchange their places when top and bottom remains at their same position. So here, if you look at here in the image, okay, if your mirror is placed vertically, okay, your top and bottom will not change. If top and bottom will not change, it is unvariable, okay, wherein your left and right hand side is variable, it will change. Okay, so your left will be looking at that right side in the mirror as well as your right will be looking at the left side in the mirror. So this kind of mirror image is called as lateral inversion of an object. Okay, so wherein the next thing is when a mirror is placed horizontally. Okay, when a mirror is placed horizontally, okay, your top and bottom will change, wherein your left and right will not change. Your top and bottom only will be variable, wherein your left and right is unchanged. So these things you guys need to remember before solving any kind of a mirror image type of question. Okay, what are the letters, what are the numbers, how, if a mirror is placed vertically or horizontally, how the mirror is going to change. So all these things you guys need to remember. Okay, so we'll see one such example. Okay, we'll see one such example of this question. So you can take a screenshot of this also. Is the screen visible to you guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you can take a screenshot of this. How does a mirror image is formed? Say real image and mirror image. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. So from capital letters to small letters and numbers. How the mirror image can be seen, because these things will be helpful in solving the question. So you can take a screenshot if it is if at all required for you. Okay. Have you taken the screenshot for your reference? Can we go into problems today? Yeah, I'll be presenting you the screen which has questions. You guys try to find out the mirror image and post the answers. Okay, just wait a minute. I'll just present the question screen. I hope the screen is visible. So now try to look at the image and tell me which is the right answer. Post your answers options in the chat box. Try to solve the question. Post your answers in the chat box. Consider the mirror is placed vertically beside the image. Consider the mirror is placed vertically. So what kind of reflected image will be falling on the mirror? So you have to choose from the options given below, A, B, C, D, E. Okay, one should be the right answer. So once you fix your answer, post your answers in the chat box. Okay, so everyone, fine. Everyone are choosing the option E. Option E will be the right answer if the mirror is placed vertically. Try to find for this question, next question. Try to find answer for this question. Okay, three of you are saying it is the others please answer. This is an interesting topic. Do answer. Okay, what made you to say it is option D? Option, some of you are saying it is D, some of you are saying it is B. So could someone tell me why you chose option D and why you chose option B? I said try to place the mirror vertically. So whoever chosen option D is wrong. Why it is wrong? Guys who have chosen option D is wrong. See, when you place a mirror vertically, okay, I said your top and bottom will not change. Okay, your top and bottom will not change. But if you look at it, if you choose option D, you see the circle over there, a small circle on the figure. Okay, the circle image of top and bottom has changed. Normally, when you place the mirror vertically, okay, only your left and right will change, wherein your top and bottom will not change. So considering that, okay, option D is not the right answer. Option B is the right answer. So those whoever said option B, that is the right answer. Okay, so please do please be very cautious while answering. Okay, you have to make a note of all these things: left, right, top, bottom, everything. Okay, only after which you need to answer. Okay, option B is the right answer. Now the next question. I try to answer this question. If you look at there, the mirror is AB. Mirror is placed horizontally. Okay, please look at the image carefully. Here, the mirror is placed horizontally. So tell me which one will be your right answer. Okay, only one has answered is B. Others. Yes, so you have chosen as option D. So when image is placed horizontally, your bottom and top will change, wherein your left and right will not change. Okay, so only option D is looking like the water image of the question. Okay, so that is fine. Option D is right answer. Next question. One more image we can see, and then we can move on to the letter kind of question. Okay. Try to answer this question. Even in this question also, the mirror is placed horizontally. Try to answer this question. Post your answers. I did not receive any answers from your side. Post your answers. Only then we can discuss. Tanush's answer is B. Others, post your answers. Please be interactive. Okay, so everyone has chosen option B. Option B is the right answer because when the mirror is placed horizontally, only your top and bottom will change, wherein your left and right will not change. So only the triangle shaped position, that is the V shaped portion, will move upwards, wherein the semicircle as well as the B kind of shape will not change. Okay, so option B is the right answer. Okay, now we can go for the next kind of question. Try to find this one. Try to find that one. Try to find answer for this question. Mirror image. Yes, Jairam has said a C. Yeah, Max. Jairam has said C. Kanimudi has said C. And any other answers? Okay, everyone is saying it's C. Okay, so I hope with the pictures, you guys able to find out the mirror image. Now we can go for the letters. Try to find the correct answer. Try to find the correct answer for this. Which will be the right answer? Try to find the answer for this. Okay, most of you are saying it is option A. Could someone tell me why it is option A? Why it would be option A? If a mirror is placed in front of it, A will not, as I said, A will not change, I will not change, H will not change. See, don't blindly post the answers. If you're posting the answers, please make sure that you understand and post it well. Okay, option A is the right answer, but please understand and post the answers too. Okay, the next one, next image. Which is the right answer for this? Question answers. D. Three of you have answered is D. Okay. Option D is the right answer. Next question. The answer for this, which will be the right answer? Post your answers for this question. Jayasuriya saying it is C. Others? C. Okay, C is the right answer. One more question. Okay, two more questions. You guys try out. Meantime, I'll take attendance for you guys. Okay. It's a simple topic. Try to find an answer for this question and another question which I'm posting. Try to find an answer for these two. Meantime, I'll take the attendance. Adi Lakshmi. Adi Lakshmi. Answer your attendance, ma.
Present, ma'am.
Aarti.
Present, ma'am.
Abhinav Gautam. Abhinav Gautam. Abhinav Gautam absent. Abhisheka.
Present, ma'am.
Adi Kesav.
Present, ma'am.
Akshaya.
Present, ma'am.
Ushashri. Ushashri.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Anthony Roshik. Okay. Aravindan. Aravindan. Archana M.
Present, ma'am.
Archana C. Archana C. Arun Kumar. Arun Kumar. Aravind.
Present, ma'am.
Vamsi Krishna Reddy. Vamsi Krishna Reddy.
Present, ma'am.
Penny Priya.
Present, ma'am.
Bolu Geeta.
Yes, ma'am.
Parvati.
Present, ma'am.
Arun. Arun. Chandru.
Tarun present, ma'am. Ma'am, Chandra present, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, Tarun present.
Okay, ma. Okay. Danush. A. Danush.
Present, ma'am.
U. Danush.
Present, ma'am.
Divya. Divya. If you're not going to answer, I'll be marking as absent. Okay. Dinesh.
Present, ma'am.
Godson.
Present, ma'am.
Gokula Krishnan.
Present, ma'am.
Gautam Raj.
Present, ma'am.
Gunasegaran.
Present, ma'am.
Hariharan. Hariharan N. N. Hariharan. Yes, Hariharan.
Present, ma'am.
Ashavardhan.
Present, ma'am.
Indra.
Present, ma'am.
Janvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Surya.
Present, ma'am.
Jeevan.
Present, ma'am.
Jeevita. Jeevita. Absent. Jitendran.
Present, ma'am.
Uday Kiran Reddy.
Present, ma'am.
Kanimuri.
Present, ma'am.
Karan. Karan. Karan absent. Kavita.
Present, ma'am.
Itna.
Present, ma'am.
Prabhakaran.
Present, ma'am.
Rogavarshini.
Present, ma'am.
Yogeshwaran.
Present, ma'am.
Madan Raj. Madan Raj,
Present, ma'am.
Adumita,
Present, ma'am.
Maurice,
Present, ma'am.
ஹலோ
Mohana Ganapati.
ஹலோ
Hello.
மேடம், நான் ஜீவிதாவுடைய ஃபாதர் பேசுறேன்.
சொல்லுங்க சார்.
இல்ல, நீங்க ஆப்சன்ட் போட்டீங்க. இட்ஸ் நாட் அவருக்கு அதனால வரல. ஒருத்தர் வெளியில வந்து ஒருத்தர் பேசிட்டு இருக்காங்க, ஒரு அர்ஜென்ட் விஷயத்துக்காக கூப்பிட்டாங்க, அதனால போனாங்க. அதர்வைஸ் ஐ ஒன்ட் இன்டர்ஃபியர். நீங்க அதுக்கப்புறம் ஆப்சன்ட் போட்டாலும் நோ இஷ்யூஸ். பட் ஐ எம் சேயிங் ஐ எம் ஜீவிதாஸ் ஃபாதர் பிரபாகர்.
சார் பட் அவங்க ஓரல் அட்டெண்டன்ஸ் அப்போ உங்க பிரசன்ட் எதுவுமே சொல்லல சார். அதனால தான் நான் ஆப்சென்ட் போட வேண்டியதா இருந்தது. நான் ஆக்சுவலி அட்டெண்டன்ஸ் எடுத்துட்டு இருக்கேன் நான் உங்களுக்கு.
No, I understood, madam. No,
திருப்பி வந்தாங்கன்னா அவங்க ஏதாச்சும் எனக்கு
I understood. That's what ஒரு அது வந்து ரெஜிஸ்டர்ட் போஸ்ட் வந்திருக்கு, அதுக்காக அவருக்கு வெளியில போயிட்டா. அதுதான் that's what just I want to say. That's why I interrupted. I won't disturb. Right?
Okay, sir. Okay,
it's your decision whether you want to put an absent or present. That's your discretion. I don't want to interfere in that. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Just I want to say, that's why I said. Sorry.
It's okay,
I
sir.
troubled
Fine,
you.
sir.
Thank you.
Mohana Ganapati. Mohana Ganapati. Monica. Monica absent.
I'm present, ma'am.
I'm gonna give you attendance. Teja Babu.
Present, ma'am.
Majmeen Banu.
Present, ma'am.
Vikesh.
Yes, ma'am.
Ritik Roshan.
Present, ma'am.
Niveta.
Present, ma'am.
Sai Teja. Sai Teja. Amodini.
Present, ma'am.
Annamalai. Annamalai. Deeksha.
Present, ma'am.
Harish. Harish. Jairam.
Present, ma'am.
Jairam.
Harish, you present, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Jairam. Okay, guys. Okay, have you guys find out the answer for those two questions which I posted before taking attendance? Found out the answer for those two questions? Archana, C present. Okay. So first is D, second is 2. Okay, so first is D, this is the right answer. Second one is 2. Your option D is the right answer. Okay. Fine, I'll be posting 2 more questions. Okay, you can take those questions as in homework. Okay. So try to complete it while coming to the next class. Just take these 2 questions as homework. So just one question, 1 minute, I'll be posting the next question to you. Question is this one. This is the question. Okay, these 2 questions. One is from the letter question information. Try to find the answer for that, and then the image, a picture image is posted there. Okay, take these 2 questions as a homework. Okay, then while coming to the next class, try to bring answers for these 2 questions. Okay, what I want you guys to do is take the mirror both vertically and horizontally and bring the answers. Okay, you don't have to take only on one side. Take the mirror on both the sides, both vertical mirror as well as horizontal mirrors, and try to find out which one will be the exact mirror image if the mirror is placed both vertically and horizontally. Okay, try to bring answer while coming for the next class. Okay? Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay, guys. You can see the next class. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.